Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a couple of glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all already know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get it on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So let's go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, I always recommend that y'all sign in on the website on Sundays to clip your digital coupons to your account. That way they all show up at once and you don't have to keep refreshing the app. And then some Sundays we have some issues with the app and none of the digital coupons will show up. So always sign in on the website and clip your digitals from there. Alright, so let's see what we have going on for today. First up, we have $1.50 off one for the Airwick Essential Mist refills. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon you'll pay $3.50, but be on the lookout for those Christmas scents. I think those are marked down to $3.75 right now. Next up, we have one off one for the Continental bath tissue. So if you want to pick up the 12 count family packs, those are priced at $5. After the coupon you'll pay $4, and we do have instant savings that will go right along with that nicely. Alright, next up we have one off one for the Scott bath tissue. Again, the family pack 12 count rolls, those are priced at $5. After the coupon you'll pay $4, and again we have instant savings that will go along with that. Next up we have one off two for the Suave products. So this is working on the 10 ounce lotions, also some deodorants. There's a lot that is working with this coupon. But if you want to pick up the 10 ounce lotions, those are priced at $1.95. Pick up two of those. After this coupon, you'll pay $2.90 for two. And I do believe we still have that 2 off 6 Unilever coupon that will stack with that. Now this coupon is also glitching and it is working on the Suave shampoos and conditioners that are priced at $1. So pick up two of those, use this coupon, and you're going to pay $1 for two. I think we have the sun ripened strawberry and coconut scent. So go ahead and clip that one to your account. We have a 2 off one for the Colgate Toothpaste. Now, this coupon is not glitching for once. So, this is working on the Colgate Max Fresh Toothpaste. Those are priced at $2.75. After the coupon, you'll pay just 75 cents. Next up, Scott paper towels. So again, we have instant savings, so this is going to make a great deal for Saturday. So Scott paper towels, the 6 count, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Alright guys, next up we have a one off one for the Toms of Maine products. So if you want to pick up the kids toothpaste, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We also have the Toms of Maine women's deodorant. I think it's a 1.7 ounce. Those are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.75. Next up, we have a 2 off one for the Colgate toothbrushes. So if you can find the Max White toothbrush, that is priced at $3. After the coupon, you'll pay just $1. So really good deal there. Next up, we have 3 off one for the Shea Moisture hair care products. Now, for some reason, none of my local stores carry the Shea Moisture hair care products. I do not know why, but if anybody knows the price of those, I think they're around $7 if I'm remembering correctly. If anybody knows for sure, though, leave that down in the comment section for me. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Shea Moisture African Black soaps. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. So really good deal there. Next up, we have 2 off one for the Huggies Diapers. These start out at $9.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Next up, we have a 2 off one for the Colgate mouthwash. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have a Kleenex coupon. Now, this will go right along with the instant savings on the Scott and Continental. So, again, this is going to be a great deal for Saturday. So, this is a 1 off 4. The Kleenexes are priced at $1.50 each. These are on the single boxes. So, pick up 4 of those. That's going to put you at $6. After the coupon, you'll pay $5 for 4. But, again, hang on to that coupon, and we're going to get some really good deals on Saturday. Alright, next up we have 1 off 2 for the Huggies wipes. These are priced at $2.10 each. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon. You're going to pay $3.20 for 2. Next up, 3 off 1 for the Zantac. These are priced at $9, so after the coupon you'll pay $6. We have a 2 off 1 for the Rolaids. So these are priced at $5 for the 28 count chews. $5 after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have 50 cents off one for the Windex brand products. So these start out at $3.25. After the coupon, you'll pay $2.75. There's also some that are priced at $3.50. So after that coupon, you'd pay $3. All right, moving right along here, we have a 2 off 1 for the Folgers Classic Roast cans of coffee. So those are priced at $7.95. After the coupon, you'll pay $5.95. We have a 1 off 1 for the Airborne products. So the 10 count is priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6. All right, next up, we have 50 cents off one for the Scrubbing Bubbles brand products. So these start out at $3.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $3. There are some that are priced a little bit higher at $4 each, but these are on sale this week too for $7. So pick up 2 of those higher priced products for $7. Use that 50-cent coupon, and that'll leave you paying $6.50 for 2. Next up, we have 2 off 1 for the Little Critters vitamins. So these 62 count gummies are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you'll pay just $2.50. So that's a really good deal on vitamins right there. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Suave hair care products. And this is only working on the ones that are priced at $3 or higher. So pick up one of the shampoos or conditioners. I think it's the Suave Professionals. Shampoos or conditioners, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you will pay $2. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Good Nights bedtime pants or bed mats. So these are priced at $11.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $9.50. We have a 2 off 1 for the Dove Amplified Textures hair care products. So this one isn't attaching to anything in my app, but I don't think that my store carries these products either. So if anybody knows the actual price of these, let me know down in the comment section. But I am pretty sure that these are also priced around $7. So if that is true, after the coupon, you'd pay $5. We also have a DG store coupon for Dove products that may stack with that. So just keep that in mind. That may be a good deal there. All right, next up, 2 off 1 for the Icy Hot products. So these start out at $5.75. After the coupon, you will pay $3.75. All right, moving on down here, we have a lot of DG Health cold and flu coupons. So this first one here is working on the ones that are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you'll pay $4.50. Then we have a 50-cent off 1. This is working on the products that are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And then there is that save $2 when you spend $7 on Dove products. So as of right now, I haven't looked too far into it, but one deal that I did come up with is the 2 packs of women's Dove deodorants are priced at $4. So you could pick up 2 of those for $8. Use this 2 off 7 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $6, but you're getting 4 Dove deodorants. So that's a pretty good deal right there. So definitely clip that one. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. So there are a couple. We have the, I think it's magnesium 30 count and the vitamin B12s. Those are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you'd pay just $1. So really good deal. Now there are several different ones that you can choose from that are priced at $3. So after that coupon, you'd pay $2. Moving on down here, we have a save $5 on any gain-scented purchase of $30 or more. So that 5 off 20 expired yesterday, and now we have a 5 off 30, and that one doesn't expire until January the 22nd. All right, next up, we have another DG Health cold and flu coupon. This one is working on the ones that are priced at $6.50, so after the coupon, you'd pay $5.50. And of course, there is our 5 off 25 all the way down here at the bottom. And next up, we have a 3 off 1 for the Gillette Razors. Now, be careful of this one. You may not want to clip this one just yet because we do have a higher value Gillette coupon. We have a 4 off 1. So I think we did receive that one a couple of weeks ago. So if you still have that one on your account, I would leave this 3 off 1 alone unless you plan on picking up 2 of the Gillette Razors. But if you don't have that 4-off one and you want to clip this 3-off one, this does work on the Gillette Mach 3 razors. Those are priced at $7.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. Next up, we have 1-off 2 for the Old Spice body wash, bar soap, and deodorants. So the lowest price item that you can pick up with this coupon is the deodorants. So we have the men's deodorants. Those are priced at $3.50. Pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. All right. Next up, we have 50 cents off one for the Cascade dishwasher tablets. So these start out at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And here's a few coupons that we received later in the week last week. So we received a buy 4, get 1 free on the Gatorades. So these are priced at $1.20 each. If you use this coupon, you're going to pay $4.80 for 5 Gatorades. Next up, we have a 1-off 1 for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Towelettes. So if you want to pick up the 25 count, those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. And we do have a little instant savings deal for when you spend $8 on Neutrogena products, you'll instantly save $2 at the register. So I'm going to go ahead and clip that one. We may have some printable or insert coupons that would make that a good little deal. Next up, we have a 1-off 1 for the Aveeno facial cleansing products. So these start out at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have 2-off 1 for the Robitussin. These are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. And we have a 2-off 1 for the Highlands Baby or 4Kids products. So these start out at $6. After the coupon, you will pay $4. And then we have this 75-cent off one for the Olive Garden salad dressing. Now, I could not get that to pull up in my app, but I'm going to go ahead and clip that one to my account. All right, guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons for this week. I think we have some pretty good deals. Definitely some deals that we can work with for our 5-off 25s on Saturday. And I'm going to try to come up with a few, maybe a little $5 challenge or a couple of little daily deals that we can do as well during the week. Alright guys, and just a quick friendly reminder before we go, once you're done clipping your Dollar General digital coupons to your account, head on over to Inbox Dollars and print off some free printable coupons because we do have new free printable coupons today. And if you go through Inbox Dollars, they're going to pay you for printing off those coupons, and then they're going to pay you again for using them in the store. Now yesterday I did upload my Craz-E Coupons Beginner's Guide to Inbox Dollars. I walk you completely through the entire app, showing you all the different ways that you can earn money with Inbox Dollars. So definitely go and check them out. I'm going to leave that video and my referral link in the pinned comment down below. If you're not already signed up, I highly recommend it. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. It's that big red subscribe button right down below this video. Just hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all already know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.